This is the main event game of your 2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the final game of this Friday quadruple headers. We can see etong Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo headed by Enrico J.R. Bugarin, the star point guard. Looking to bounce back after their loss. Makakatapat nila dito. Etong Santa Ana unite in this main event game headed by Nathaniel Santiago of Santa Ana. As that is our game at hand between the 4-2 Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo kontra the 3-1 Santa Ana Unite. At ako pa rin po ang inyong makakasama for this main event game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa. As we are up for a thrilling ball game dito. Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo nearly came back against Fernandino Kayabe in their last game. A last-minute reach para sa kanya. And syempre, pwede niyo po tutukan ang aming laro sa Facebook page ng Pampanga PIO. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. And syempre, live din po itong laro natin sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. Kaya subscribe na po kayo mga kabalen sa aming Facebook and YouTube channels dahil nga ito na ang ating main event game between Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo and etong Santa Rita Unite. As we can see dito sa ating updated team standings, etong Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo at 4-2 and itong Santa Ana Unite 3-1. Magkadikit po ang kanilang team standings dito. Kaya nga napaka-crucial nga na itong laro at hindi na namin kayo pag-aantayin pa. Coming up, it's the battle between Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo versus Santa Ana Unite. And let's now turn it over to Ryan Pajaro for our starters of the game.
Here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the main event of the afternoon. Elimination round of your 2023-24 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament. Our match at hand featuring Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo versus Santa Ana Unite. Now let's meet the starters first. For Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. At 4, number 11, KC Gomez. At 4, number 34, JP Malyari. Center number 23, Gab Maniala. At guard number 1, Tristan Valiao. And the other guard number 7, Pao Apostol. Head coach for Guagua is Daniel Gao Cabrera. Assisted by Joselito Romero, Eris Salonga, Erwin Palo, and Elmer Gonzalez. And now let's meet the starters for Santa Ana Unite. At 4, number 6, Nat Santiago. The other 4, number 9, Raymond Ignacio. Center number 26, Juan David. At guard number 0, Naren Malyari. And the other guard number 7, Lloyd Peña. Head coach for Santa Ana, Chuck Gomez. Assisted by Michael Castro, Eugene Nicolas, Joanna Muyune, and Alian Erica Guindo. Your referee in charge of this main game are Anthony Roque, Michael Galotera, and Noel Menchero.
And here are your starters of the game for the municipality of Guagua. Tulong Tulong tayo. Started with Valiao, Apostol, Manyalak, Malyari, and Casey Gopez. Para naman dito sa Santa Ana United. Started with Naren Malyari, Lloyd Peña, Ron David, Nathaniel Santiago, and Raymond Ignacio. And let's see which team will win this main event battle for Bracket B. First possession goes the way of Santa Ana Unite. Let's see what they'll do in this possession. They go over to Santiago. Gives it to the cutting Malyari. Back to Peña. Lloyd, the jumper. It's good para kay Lloyd Peña. 2-0 for Santa Ana Unite. And itong Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo in their last game was defeated by the United Tomashan Ballers of Santo Tomas, Pampanga. They had a late rally towards the last 2 minutes. But now let's see how they can bounce back in this ball game as
Oh, good move right there by JP Malyari, and he's fouled and he'll troop to the line for 2. And I can see immediately the adjustment of Coach Jao Cabrera,
Putting itong si JR Bugarin
coming off the bench. This time he's going with Tristan Valiao as his starter as Malyari misses the first free throw. Again po sa mga nanonood sa FB Live and YouTube channel, comment lang po kayo kung sinong koponan po ang inyong sinusuportahan at sinong player po ba ang inyong iniidolo dito sa dalawang koponan na naglalaban. Of course, laging nakatutok ang mga taga-Guagua, ang ating mga kaibigan dyan. Of course, the legend, the answer himself, Lancer the Answer Khan, na nanonood from Guagua. Boss Lancer, see you soon. Ito, 2-1 ang ating score after the split charities galing dito kay JP Malyari. Here's Naren. Malyari attacks, step back jumper. Too strong. Rebounded by Gopez. Valiao tosses it up. And this will be an easy layup para dito kay Gabriel Manyala. Foul counted para kay Manyala. Let's look at this good toss-up right here by Valiao. And Manyala to the contact right there. The first field goal is a highlight already para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Manyalak, bonus free throw. Oh, air ball. So that's a free throw violation right here. Oh, near steal, and it is a completed steal para sa Guagua. Malyari to Tristan. Tristan will spin. That's a traveling violation whistled right here on Tristan Valiao. And it'll inbound right here from the same spot para sa Santa Ana Unite. Malyari gives it over. Peña, no good, and look at that rebound by Manyalak.
Oh, what a steal right there, but a sorry miss for Santiago.
Tristan on the run, 3-on-2, gives it to Gopez. Back dito to Malyari. What passing we've seen here for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Just as their name says, sa Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo. There's a holding foul right here. Whistled on JP Malyari. It's going to be JP's first personal foul. Oh no, that's Tristan Valiao daw. Both Malyari and Valiao acknowledge the fouls there at the same time. The referee says it's on Tristan ang foul. So with this pressure defense galing dito sa Guagua. Valiao taps it from behind. Di lang nahawakan ni Apostol. So ball will remain dito sa panig ng Santa Ana Unite. Sideline inbound for Santa Ana. 3-point lead para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Ignacio. Good defense right there by Apostol, shutting down the baseline. Malyari, 3-pointer off the mark for Neren. So they get the offensive board back. Malyari goes to Ignacio. Ignacio being defended well by Apostol but gets a pull-up jumper from the mid-range. In and out nga lang. And ito tumatakbo na naman si Manyalak. Oh, beautiful behind the back. And the dish to Casey Gopez. Couldn't make the layup. Valiao, open look. Tristan, a little bit too short yung tira niya doon. Here comes Santa Ana Unite. 7 minutes and some change remaining in this first period. Naren, up fake, crossover, step back, 3-pointer. Still out of sync for Naren Malyari. Apostol gives it over to Valiao. 14 seconds on their shot clock. Apostol traveled right there, clearly right in front of our referee. So, a couple of empty possessions from these two teams na magkakaroon dito from the start of the ball game as a good steal right there by Apostol. And here comes Manyalak. Manyalak the floater short. Valiao gets blocked right there by Ignacio. Good defense by Raymond. On the attack, Malyari tries to fish for the foul against the other Malyari. Tristan. No looks it to Gopez. Gopez couldn't finish again from the same side. Neto, this will be a gimme for Naren Malyari. That's 5-4 ang ating score. Still a 1-point lead para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Valiao playing point. Hands it off to Apostol, gives it to JP. Malyari. Manyalak has the basketball. Gabriel attacks, kicks it over. Apostol, three-pointer. That will be short. Para dito kay Paulo. Fight for the rebound. Some physical play underneath. And finally a foul is whistled here. It's gonna be on Paulo Apostol. Watching right now, happy watching Sir Edmar Leona, go Guagua, sabi niya. But ito, there is the foul right there. Dito kay Paulo Apostol. Substitution right here for Santa Ana. Pasok. Ito si number 24, Mark Maniago. Look at the defense being played right here by Guagua. But they're on a 2-on-1 disadvantage right here. And that will be an easy layup para dito kay Ron David. Great recognition from Santa Ana United that they had the numbers on the front court. Oh, good move right there. And the basket plus a foul para dito kay Byron Besoro. Instant offense for Coach Cabrera right there as Byron Besoro, the starter in the last game for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. This time coming off the bench. Immediately scoring 2 points. Uy, happy watching. Jong Banayad Jr., ating kaibigang referee. And syempre, one of the players representing itong Pampanga in all of their tournaments. One of the most decorated and electrifying point guards na mapapanood nyo rin sa 2024 Delta Cup representing Lubao. Itong si CJ Delfino, Tasmanian Devil. Happy watching sa'yo. Ito a steal by Besoro on the run. Apostol the left, short pa rin. What will Santa Ana answer? Santiago goes to the baseline. Ignacio, no go. Tapi ka ng bola-bola pa rin ng Santa Ana. Maniago kicks it. Peña, no good pa rin. Tristan on the run. Valiao hangs in mid-air. Kinulang lang sa pektos. 4 minutes and 25 remaining in this first period. Good pass. Santiago gets stripped. That will be a foul and 2 free throws para dito kay Nathaniel Santiago. 8-6 ang ating score, 2-point lead. Substitution right here for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Pasok itong si Neil Calma. First free throw for Nathaniel Santiago is good. Expect mo pag Santiago pangalan, sure ball sa free throw line eh. Itong si Nathaniel Santiago, yung Kenneth Santiago ng Malolos Republic. And syempre, ang idolo ng lahat, yung taga-Taytay J Project na Santiago. As we can see, Enrico J. Bugarin coming in to the ball game. Let's see what Enrico will do in this possession. Gives it to Olivares. Olivares from the outside. A little bit too strong. Besoro with an offensive rebound. Besoro step through move, bit in. Olivares. Cleanup job is no good, but on the third try of that possession, finally, Steven Olivares gets the basket to go. Peña having trouble at the backcourt. Ignacio. Good steal right here by Calma. Neil to the basket. Ayaw pa rin. But Olivares, another offensive rebound and put back Mintis. Ignacio ball gets tapped. And he throws it away. So babalik ang bola dito sa panig. Or no, the ball remains. Sabi ng referee natin, the ball was tapped. Inbound here for Santa Ana. Oh, good inbound play. And a big man move right there by Francis Balahadja. A corner three-pointer wide open. Actually yun para dito kay Joseph Angeles. Another offensive rebound para sa Guagua. Bugarin, emergency pass. Olivares, three-pointer. Short. Finally, defensive rebound for Santa Ana. Peña puts it up. Short pa rin. Still no baskets para dito kay Lloyd Peña. Oh, good pass by Bugarin. And the layup right here by Besoro is a miss. But he'll troop to the line kasi he was fouled. Let's see this again. This layup by Byron Besoro clearly got clipped there on the forearm. Taana now in the penalty with that foul. Besoro with 2 free throws right here to extend their lead. Knocks down the first one. Two for two for Besoro. Twelve to 10 ang ating score. 2-point lead for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. And their defense is holding up dito. All shots are challenged for Guagua. Angeles with a rebound. JR, three-pointer. Too strong. And again, another offensive rebound. And put back. Board style pa para kay Byron Besoro. Oh, Balahadja got away with a slight nudge there. And a block by Olivares. Calma. To JR. JR says, let's calm down. 2 minutes to go in this first quarter. Byron goes to Angeles. Angeles, big steps na agawan. Tumatakbo na itong si Maniago. Good dish over. And Musngi with his first 2 points of the ball game. Bugarin. He'll attack, and that's an offensive foul clearly right there from Angeles. Another turnover para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. We're protecting just a 2-point game here. Check out this replay. Good pass right here by Naren Malyari going over to Musngi for the easy 2. Maniago goes over and Musngi with back-to-back transition layups. Sean with another layup coming from transition. There's a foul right there. It's gonna be on Malyari. His 13 Malyari, that's his first personal foul. Of course, there's 2 Malyaris para dito sa panig ng Santa Ana Unite, and there's 1 Malyari doon sa panig ng Guagua. A total of 3 Malyaris on our game. Very interesting. The first free throw miss right here kay Neil Calma. Calma knocks down the second one. Santa Ana on the run. They're down by only 1 point. Good steal right there by Enrico. And there's a foul. Duty foul ang ginawa doon. But dahil penalty na nga, this would mean 2 free throws. Balahadja. Second personal foul. Oh, Joseph Angeles with 2 free throws right here. Watching din ngayon, Ernie Pineda of the Hustle Rising Suns. Dol, happy watching. Go Guagua daw, sabi ni Ernie Pineda. Second free throw by Angeles is a miss, but Paul will remain dito sa panig ng Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Olivares to Bugarin. Stephen from downtown. Short yung tira niya. Here comes Santa Ana on the run. Maniago, good defense right there by Bugarin, playing the passing lane. That would have been an open look para dito kay Trece Malyari. (16 seconds to shoot para dito sa Santa Ana. Malyari goes over to Musngi. Go back down low and Maniago travels. That time he dragged his pivot foot. Shoutout daw, sabi ni Arnulfo Camilo Tongol. Shoutout po sa mga kabalen watching in Qatar. Wow! Sa mga taga-Qatar dyan, Kapampangan, happy watching po sa inyo. At maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa amin dito. 2024 Delta Cup. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Good defense right there again by Guagua. Final 20 seconds of the first quarter. Musngi, oh, off the glass. 6 points now for Sean Musngi. Sean Melvin Musngi with a beautiful off the glass shot. 6 points and he ties the game at 16. JR, sidestep, gives it to Olivares and Stephen still can't get a basket. So we are tied at 16 points dito sa end of the first period. Both teams seemingly they're evenly matched. The running game actually once again is the catalyst for both of these teams. But dito para sa Santa Ana, Unite, they are the ones where points are more coming off the bench. Mga players nila kagaya ni Musngi. At para naman dito sa panig ng Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo, it's the starters ang gumawa doon. Kaya nga tied tayo at 16 all after the end of the first period. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. And speaking of, tutukan nyo din po ang aming laro sa Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 Semifinals Game 2 on Sunday sa Malolos Sports and Convention Center. Ang game number 2 ng Taytay J Project kontra Tito Rex's Firewire and ang Santa Rosa Lion Saints kontra the home team, ang Malolos Republic. And Taytay and Malolos live to fight another game, or masisil na ba nila Lou Abad and Tito Rex Firewire and Gilbert Malabanan and Santa Rosa Lion Saints ang finals berth nila sa Lakas 40. Malalaman po natin yan sa linggo sa Malolos Sports and Convention Center in Bulacan. Kita-kita po tayo doon mga kasinag. Pero dito tayo ngayon sa Pampanga for the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Etong Guagua at Santa Ana pantay na pantay as Musngi misfires on that shortstop jumper. Both of these teams seemingly evenly matched doon sa first period natin as an offensive foul. An illegal pick whistled here on Sean Musngi. 9 minutes and 27 seconds to go in this second period. From the outside, quick trigger three-pointer is short para kay Besoro. Let's see if finally makatake the lead. Ito ulit ang Santa Ana. Miranda attacks. Kicks it to the corner. Malyari three-pointer off the mark and Bugs with the rebound. Enrico on the run. Double behind the back. The crossover. Bugarin! Sayang lang yung layup. Niluwa lang ng ring. Besoro off the glass shot. Ayaw pa rin talaga for Guagua. And there's a foul. Uh-oh. A technical foul whistled here. Kakainitan na agad ang parehong players. Let's look at this. There's the foul on Calma. And then yun, there's the technical the retaliation galing dito kay Musni. So this will be a technical free throw para dito kay Enrico J.R. Bugarin. Speaking of Enrico Bugarin, nagpapa-shoutout si Enrico. Shoutout kay Apong Marias Ihawan and Kambingan Restaurant arong Olongapo Road, Guagua, Pampanga in front of Axe Enterprise. So shoutout na po sa Apong Maria Ihawan and Kambingan Restaurant. Alam po yan sa Olongapo Road, Guagua, sabi ni Enrico Bugarin. Bugs, punta kami dyan sometime pag di kami busy. Ihawan and Kambingan, mga paborito namin yan.
Oh, Miranda turns the ball over. Sayang yung mga crossover niya dun.
Really flashy point guard itong si Miranda. Made even the Guagua crowd ooh and ah there. Villa, the jumper, no go. Calma with another board. Oh, but they turned it over. Miranda, double cross. No look pass to the baseline. And that's a clear traveling violation whistle dito kay John Angel Galang. Still no basket for either team. Still no points for either team to start off the second quarter. Bugarin. They swing it around. JP. JP pull-up jumper block right there. Great job by Ason Villa to track down that block. Malyari kicks it over to Musni. Hindi ready doon si Villa. Enrico, step back three-pointer. Too strong nga lang. So wala pa rin team ang nakaka-score dito sa second quarter. Three-pointer by Miranda off the mark. There's a clear pushing foul whistled underneath.
Foul on number 3 of Sardana, subdivision with Sardana. First personal on John Galang. 13 foul.
John Galang gets his first personal foul. You can see right here, Coach Gao Cabrera. What will Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo do on offense? Oh, they throw it away. Too strong yung pasa doon ni Casey Gopez papunta kay Bugarin. We are nearly at the 7-minute mark and still no team has scored dito sa second period. We ended the first quarter all 16. Nearly 3 minutes na have passed and wala pang nakapuntos dito as another series of turnovers from both squads. Miranda, floater, off the mark pa rin. De La Fuente with the rebound in the toss-up right here. Manyalak, good pass papunta dito kay Casey Gopez. Finally, someone scored dito in the second quarter. Gopez with another basket. Ignacio, ball was tapped but sabi ng referee natin may konting tulak din. So Manyalak will pick up the foul. First personal foul para dito kay Gabi Manyalak. Let's look at this good toss-up and Manyalak finds Gopez for the easy layup. A wide open is Lloyd Peña, three-pointer.
Still no go para dito sa panig ng Santa Ana.
Ignacio,
Jumper. Ayaw talaga. They still haven't had a basket dito sa second quarter.
but a turnover dito for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Apostol comes back in. Papalitan niya itong si Gab Manalak. the run, having trouble
Dribbling ito si Ignacio through the traffic but finally gets it to a teammate. Pero turnover na naman for Santa Ana.
Malyari gives it to Gopez, and Gopez with a finish. And a quick timeout for Coach Chuck Gomez as his team is still scoreless in this second quarter. Now a 4-point lead para dito sa Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo, 20-16. Makikita natin ang ating mga fans dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Referee natin si Michael Galotera. May pumorma-porma pa. Yan po ang ating mga fans dito of Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Of course, they're up by 4 dito as they're playing some immense defense dito sa ating laro dahil hindi pa nakascore. Near 5 minutes na po tayo at wala pa rin puntos dito ang Santa Ana Unite. Look at this full court pressure galing dito sa Guagua but easily broken up by Santa Ana. Can they score finally in this possession? Ignacio still out of sync from the field. Lopez regains his balance. Bugarin to Gopez. KC will attack. KC.
Oh, good pass to Malyari. Great recognition right there by KC Gopez.
Look at this pressure defense and Bugarin with a steal. Malyari. Back-to-back layups para dito kay JP Malyari. One from Gopez and the other one from Bugarin. Look at this hounding defense that they have.
And finally, that's the first 2 points of the quarter para dito sa Santa Ana Unite.
That basket is from John Galang.
At the 4-minute and 40-second mark, nakascore na rin itong Santa Ana Unite in the second period. What a pass there by Boogs going to Apostol, but Apostol is blocked. JP to Apostol. Paulo puts it up and in, plus a foul. Good pass by JP going over to Paulo Apostol for the layup. Let's look at this beautiful drop pass by JP Malyari to Paulo Apostol for the layup. And the three-pointer is missed, pero a foul is whistled here on No De La Fuente. This will be 3 free throws for Lloyd Peña.
First whistle, 13 foul, 3 free throws for 7, Lloyd Peña.
Lloyd Peña to the free throw line. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in the second period. Lloyd cashes in both free throws. May isa pa siyang free throw dito. See if he can make the third free throw. 3 out of 3 para dito kay Lloyd Peña. Two-man substitution para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Besoro and Olivares come back in. Lalabas itong si Malyari at si Apostol. Valiao manning the point. They go to Byron. Olivares falls down. That's a traveling violation whistle dito. Sa Guagua Tulong-Tulong tayo. De La Fuente gets whistled for the traveling violation. Oh, good defense. No, with a steal. Tristan to De La Fuente, and De La Fuente gets blocked, but sabi ng referee natin, there was contact. So, 2 free throws para dito kay De La Fuente. Si Aison Villa is called for the foul. De La Fuente misses the first free throw. De La Fuente gets the second free throw to bounce in. 27-21, 6-point lead para dito sa Guagua. And tap from behind by Olivares, and ball will remain dito. Santa Ana Unite, 3 minutes and 37 natitira sa ating first half. Miranda to inbound. Peña, three-pointer, still out of sync. And ito, Valiao on the run. 3-on-2, Valiao gives it. Oh, sorry, miss for KC. Miranda looking for friends. Ignacio, back to Miranda. Raquel swings it to the corner. Lloyd back to Ignacio. Raymond, three-pointer. Off the mark. Look at De La Peña there. Crashing the offensive rebound. Dagdagan mo pa ng isa pang bonus free throw dahil foul count din yan para dito kay Raymond Ignacio. Quick substitution right here for Coach Gao. Cabrera, babalik itong si Calma. Upo muna si Gopez. Peña knocks down the free throw. He's been perfect at the line, 4 out of 4. Three-point lead being protected by Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. 27-24. Besoro goes over to Olivares. Calma on the attack. Calma, reverse layup, too strong. Ito, tumatakbo na naman ang Santa Ana. They're down by 3. 2 minutes and 42 remaining. Peña, three-pointer.
Finally, knocking a three-pointer down, and he ties the game dito at 27 all. What a comeback run here para dito sa Santa Ana Unite, tying this game up with this three-pointer by Lloyd. Peña from the outside knocks it down from downtown. 27 all is our score.
Back here inside the BREN Convention Center as we see some of the supporters para dito sa Santa Ana Unite. Supporting their team right now. They're now having a tied ball game dito after struggling to score. They finally have come back into this game. Tristan trying to end the silence para dito sa Guagua. Olivares. Gives it to Maniala who comes back into the game. They go baseline. Valiao, baseline jumper is good. Great play right there for Guagua. Peña tapped away by Valiao from behind. Calma. Tap board layup is good. A 4-0 counter para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. What will Santa Ana answer? Malahaja on the run.
Oh, stolen away by Olivares. He has Valiao on his right. Natapek, Stephen. Stolen away by Peña.
He's fouled by Stephen Olivares. Penalty na. Let's see the foul one more time right here. There's a strip. Tamahan doon. So si Peña has been living in the line right now. Let's see if he can knock down all of his free throws. He is perfect so far. Now 5 out of 5 from the free throw line itong si Peña. 1 minute and 39 remaining in this first half. Finally, his first free throw missed. 5 out of 6.
Oh, good steal by Peña. Naren tosses it up. No go. Tristan with a running start. Valiao, a 4-on-3. Oh, good defense right there.
Was that Balahaja with the challenge? I believe so. Great defense. That would have been an easy layup para dito kay Calma. Let's look at this one more time at the foul. Oh, clearly a foul right there by Neil Calma. Balahaja, first free throw is a make. That's the lead down to 2 points, 31 to 29. Balahaja, second free throw. In and out. Good rebound right there for Manyalak.
Oh, but he throws it away. Hindi ready si Calma dun. Apostol will come in.
Will replace Manyalak muna. Look at that ball pressure galing dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Napapahirapan talaga nila itong Santa Ana in this ball game. Look at that defense once again para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Santa Ana inbound somewhere, and there's a foul, a holding foul, I believe, on Olivares. Holding on to Balahaja. Dahil penalty na kanina pa itong dalawang koponan. This would mean 2 free throws ulit para dito kay Francis Balahaja. First free throw is a make para dito kay Francis. Let's look at this one more time. Foul was called a holding foul. That block up top was clean, pero before that shot, at nakahawak na itong si Olivares sa kanya. One-point lead para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Tie game pala tayo, 31.
Valiao attack. Oh! Sayang nga lang yun for Tristan. That would have brought the house down dito sa BREN GUIAO. Oh, good defense by Apostol. Paulo to Tristan, and Tristan gets the basket to go.
33 to 31. Naren, nakatapikan sa likod. But there's a foul going to be whistled. I believe it's going to be on Paulo Apostol. 32.8 seconds. Let's look at this again. Apostol with a steal and the beautiful dive papunta dito kay Tristan Valiao. He would just have to rise up and shoot that basket. Babalik dito for Santa Ana itong si John Angel Galang, replacing Francis Balahaja.
One out of 2. As there's a pushing foul against Santa Ana Unite. Is it on Lloyd Peña? It is. So magiging 2 free throws pa to ulit
para sa Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. Apostol with 2 free throws. Paolo back irons the first free throw. See if he can adjust and make the second as they're protecting a 2-point lead here. There you go, 3-point lead para dito sa Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. 32.8 seconds remaining. Pressure defense again. Another near turnover, but Santa Ana gets it back. Villa puts it up, no go. Fight for the rebound, Peña dives on the floor. Valiao, last second shot para dito.
Guagua as, Calma misses, but Apostol is there for the putback.
Samahan mo pa na isang foul. What a late rally again galing dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Look at that. The miss by Calma. The putback for Paulo Apostol. Samahan mo pa ng isang foul. Let's see if he can convert the bonus free throw. Apostol, too strong.
Calma keeps it alive. Tristan on the attack. Tristan flips it up, no go.
And yung tip ni Malyari hindi pumasok at dyan magtatapos ang ating first half of action dito sa ating main event game. Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo. Their pressure defense has been suffocating all game long. And even, we can see itong second quarter highlights natin. That pressure defense has held etong Santa Ana scoreless for almost 6 minutes of this second quarter. Kaya sila lamang ngayon, and grabe, they were really the focal point of this ball game in this second quarter, and all Guagua highlight reel that time, and that's why they're up by 5 points, 36-31 dito at the half sa ating 2024 Delta Cup.
Backtres, sunog hiyawang malakas. Sa larangan na ito, ang pangalan ay babakas. Salipakan makikitang lumipad ng mataas. Matibay na dibdib, hindi mo makikinag. Mga manlalarong makikita mo na sisinag. Hawak ang bandera ng liga na may kumpiyansa. Sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at buong Asya.
Kayo po pa rin ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament dito sa Pampanga. At the half, lamang ng 5 puntos itong Municipality of Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo 36-31 kontra dito sa Santa Ana United, as we can see some of those halftime highlights. And para dito sa panig ng Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo. Their transition offense is been clicking ngayong araw dahil nga napakaganda ng mga full court pressure defense nila. Getting a lot of steals, getting a lot of turnovers, but para naman dito sa panig ng Santa Ana United, etong si Lloyd Peña catching fire in that second quarter, knocking down 3-pointers and drawing a lot of fouls. Getting to the free throw line often itong si Lloyd Peña, but again, the transition offense of Guagua Tulong-Tulong tayo is the true catalyst in this ball game together with their full court pressure defense. Ito ang ating mga leading scores for Guagua Tulong-Tulong tayo. They're led by Malyari and Byron Besoro, both with 7 points, and Paolo Apostol with 5. Para sa panig ng Santa Ana United, Peña with 10 points, Musngi with 6, and Baladhadja with 5 points. In this ball game, as it's just a 5-point lead para din sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo, 36-31 entering this third period. Let's see what the adjustments of both coaches at the halftime huddles nila. Kaya pa bang palakihin netong Guagua Tulong-Tulong tayo ang kalamangan nila? Or will Santa Ana United have another comeback, as they did tie the game at 27 in a span of a minute kaninang second quarter? First possession goes to Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Bugarin goes to Besoro. What will they do on offense? They couldn't score that time. And still couldn't score itong Guagua, but they forced a turnover. Sorry, that's Santa Ana, and Baladhadja misses the gimme, and there's a foul. So there's a foul on number 6, Nathaniel Santiago. It's his first personal foul, and first team foul para dito Santa Ana. So there's a warning on Santa Ana United for improper bench decorum. Besoro. Byron gives it back to Bugarin. Gopez to Calma. Back to JR. Boogs makes his move. Step back 3-pointer. Off the mark para dito kay Enrico. And Santiago with a rebound. Maniago attacks. Flips it up and in. Difficult shot right there by Mark Nico Maniago. Cutting the lead down to 3. Gopez gives it to Bugarin. They go cross court. Byron a little shy on the trigger. He was wide open there. And they're fighting for the rebound. And both players really getting physical, getting chippy right here. Jump ball is whistled right here. Look at that chippiness right here. Physicality from both players. Oh. Konting pabaho si Byron Besoro. Baladhadja, the layup. And he'll troop to the line for 2. Good move and good start para dito sa Santa Ana United. Casey Gopez with his second personal foul. Baladhadja knocked down the first free throw, cutting the lead down to 2. Let's see if he can make the second and go 2 for 2 and cut the lead down to 1. Baladhadja knocks it down. And this is now just a 1-point ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Enrico gives it to Besoro. Back to Gopez. Byron, they give it to Calma. A 4-out offense right here galing sa Guagua. Byron up fake. Another up fake. Drops it off. Calma reverse layup is a thing of beauty. And on the other end, Musngi hindi nahabol yung pasa ni Baladhadja. So that's another turnover for Santa Ana Unite. 14 seconds on the shot clock of Guagua. Tulong Tulong tayo. Gopez gives it to JR. Enrico spins. Another spin.
Beautiful drop pass to Calma. What a pass by Bugarin.
Maniago, who started off the scoring dito sa ating third quarter. Pick and roll. Tried to pass it to Musni. Musni couldn't handle the pass. Babalik ang bola dito sa Guagua. Bugarin, not really scoring a lot, but the passes and the defense have been the catalyst. And speaking of a pass, masyadong mataas yung alley-oop play niya papunta kay Calma. Musni sits down. Balik sa floor itong si Ignacio. Look at the pressure right here being brought by Guagua. And a near turnover again para sa kanila or Santa Ana. This half full court pressure galing dito sa Guagua. Tulong Tulong tayo. Really suffocating. Oh! Sayang yung knockout play para dito kay Maniago. That would have been a great play if he was able to convert. 6 minutes and 47 remaining in this third period. Bugarin goes to Angeles. They go down low to Calma. Turnover yan. Malahaja with a steal. Ignacio. Tahimik after the second period. Itong si Ignacio. Maniago will attack. Kicks it to the corner. Three-pointer. Too strong. Did not hit rim. So 2 seconds na lang natitira sa shot clock na itong Santa Ana. At naputokan sila ng 24. They were not aware of the clock. As both Malyari and Manyala coming back into the ballgame. Uupo muna si Gopez and Angeles and also Apostol. He'll replace Besoro. So Coach Gao Cabrera opting to go for the 5-out offense. All 5 players for Guagua can run and hit the outside shot. Boog. Dadaan sa screen. He is held right there. That's gonna be a foul. It's gonna be on Malyari. 13 Malyari. Number 8 for Santa Ana Unite. Babalik dito sa floor itong si Lloyd Peña who exploded in that second quarter. He'll replace 13 Malyari. Apostol to inbound. Gives it dito to Calma. Enrico with 10 seconds to shoot. Apostol, natapik yung bola but ball will remain dito sa panig ng Guagua. We're closing in on the midway point of this third period. 5 minutes and 42 natitira. Enrico, step back jumper. No good. Tumatakbo na naman itong Santa Ana. Miranda lobs it up. And oh, Villa couldn't finish. And there's a clear push by Villa on Bugarin.
Foul number 2, Ison Villa. Second personal.
Ison Villa, that's his second personal foul. Enrico calling a play. They give it over to Malyari, swings it to Calma. Bugarin to Malyari. Look at the passing right here for Guagua. Enrico, sidestep, jumper, in and out pa rin. Malyari with the board. JP puts it up. No good. And look at the offensive rebounding for Guagua. And it ends up again in Malyari's hands. And JP finally scores. And Boogs with a steal. And a clear offensive foul whistled here on Enrico Bugarin. The chicken wing move. Huling-huli ng ating referee.
Number 6, Jay Bugarin, substitution for 1. First personal foul.
Look at this one more time. The ball just drops into Malyari's hands after his own miss, should I say. Finally, the basket right there. Peña. See the pressure defense being applied to by Guagua. That's a foul. Is that a continuation? Yes, it is. Para dito kay Raymond Ignacio. Let's look at this right here. Ignacio on the run, and there's the foul. JP Malyari, and he just tossed it up. Difficult shot dahil challenge pa si Calma doon. Even after the whistle. Bonus free throw for Ignacio is good. So baba sa 5. Or 6. Palamangan dito ng Guagua. Yes, it is 5. 42-37. Balyao to Apostol. Malyari on the attack. Malyari tried to drop it off. Natapik, and ball will remain with the white shirts.
6 seconds shot.
6 seconds to shoot for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Apostol goes way outside to Calma. They go to the corner. Paolo, 3-pointer short. And that naputukan sila ng 24 dito. 24-second shot clock violation for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Peña gives it to Miranda. Miranda dribbling against Malyari. And there's a clear foul right there on JP Malyari, holding on to Miranda off the spin.
Holding foul on number 24, J.P. Malyari. Second personal, 14 foul.
Peña against JP. Kicks it to Miranda. Miranda being hounded by Valyao. Ball is loose. Picked up by Ignacio. Ignacio the spin at naputokan din sila ng 24. Great counter. Galing dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo on the defensive end. Oh, good layup right there by Manyala. (44-38). There's an 8-second violation, and like I said, etong full court pressure defense ng Guagua has been suffocating Santa Ana United in this ball game. Babalik itong si De La Fuente. He'll replace Apostol. Always fresh legs para dito kay Coach Gao Cabrera. Malyari gives it to De La Fuente. De La Fuente makes his move, and that's a clear offensive foul. A ward off galing dito kay De La Fuente. As Gopez comes back into the floor. Upo itong si Neil Calma.
Second personal foul.
2 minutes and 14 natitira sa ating third period. Naren Malyari comes back in for Santa Ana. He'll replace itong si Raymond Ignacio. Malyari, the pass was a little bit too long. Good thing he tracked it down.
Oh, good pass to Villa, but Villa can't make the layup.
Tristan. Nasundutan sa likod. That's a turnover. Balahaja to Malyari. Naren. Between the legs pass. Hindi pa pumasok. Malyari.
Kulang sa pektos yung tira, and on the third time, he gets fouled.
Some wild sequences coming from these two teams.
23, second personal foul.
Malyari whistled for the foul.
2 free throws to 0.
So Noren Malyari will go to the free throw line. He makes the first free throw. Let's see if he can make the second. Yes, he does. 2 out of 2. 4-point lead for Guagua, 44-40. Tristan calling the play, gives it to Gopez.
Oh, good move by Banyalak.
beautiful Euro step right there. That's for sure gonna be in the highlight reel. A steal by JP. Malyari, nakatapik. Manyalak, Euro step move, block right there. At bola ng Guagua dito.
16 seconds.
Let's look at it right here, Valiao. To Manyalak, and Manyalak with a beautiful Euro step. And I quote one of my friends, "Welcome to my TikTok." Tristan attacks. Block right there by Malyari. Peña on the run. Peña.
Oh, smokes the layup.
Tumatakbo na dito. Etong Guagua, some bodies on the floor. And that's an offensive foul whistled here. Is that gonna be on De La Peña? Oh, it's on Manyalak. Third personal foul right here, whistled on Gabriel Manyalak. Substitution right here. Besoro comes back into the ball game. Oh, good steal by Manyalak. And Gab puts it up and in, plus a foul. What a sequence right here. The steal by Gab, and ito yung kanyang atake. Big steps to the basket, and he puts it up and in transition. What a basket right here, and what a time para dito kay Gabriel Manyalak to just wake up and start scoring. Oh, short nga lang kanyang bonus free throw, but they track it back down for the offensive board. Bugarin kicks it to De La Fuente, short. 7 seconds to shoot. Gopez with an offensive rebound. Bugs to Gopez. Natapigan itong si Manyalak. Might have got hit in the face. They're still down. Peña for three, knocks it down. As Manyalak is down on the floor. Peña is still down. He's holding onto his head. Might have clashed it either with someone inadvertently or teammate niyang natamaan. Still holding onto his head. He's still down on the floor. And he stands up. Ito si Gabriel Manyalak. Let's look at this one more time. There's the pass na bitawan niya. Oh! Inadvertently natamaan siya doon ni Malyari after the challenge. Incidental contact as Manyalak needs to come out dahil nga there was stoppage play. He has to sit down for a possession right here. Gopez comes back in. 5-point lead para dito sa Guagua. Casey from the outside, in and out. Offensive rebound by Calma. Besoro, three-pointer. Too strong. And Raquel Miranda with the rebound. Miranda drops it off. Oh, another steal right here for Guagua. Calma tosses it over to Byron. Bugarin holding for the last shot. Bugarin tries to go to Calma. Turnover. At hindi naaabot yung tira ni Peña. At dyan magtatapos ang ating third quarter action. Gabriel Manyalak catching fire in this third period. Nagising itong si Manyalak, and that's why lamang pa rin dito ang Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Let's see some of these third quarter highlights. That was a beautiful layup galing dito kay Mark Maniago kanina, and this beautiful highlight dime from Enrico Bugarin. The double spin move and then the drop-off. Of course, Gabriel Manyalak, part of that third quarter explosion na ginawa niya dito sa basket and one for him off the steal, and that's why lamang pa rin itong Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo, 48-43, a 5-point lead for the Municipality of Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo against Santa Ana Unite. Kapit lang po mga kabalin, magbabalik po tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Final 10 minutes of this ball game dito. A 5-point lead pa rin para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Their name says it all dahil nga tulong-tulong silang lumalaban dito against Santa Ana Unite. And Santa Ana needs to unite themselves to come back into this ball game. They've shown that they can come back here. Just need to do it one more time in the most crucial quarter of them all. And that time, there's a stop. Miscommunication between Bugarin and Valiao. Na first time silang pinagsabay dito sa laro na to in this first quarter.
Oh, good layup right there. Para dito kay Alfaro, his first minutes of the game, and now he produces some points. Valiao on the run. Maniago gives it to Balahaja. Balahaja, babangga kay Calma, and that's an offensive foul whistled here on Balahaja.
Offensive foul on number 18, Francis.
It's Francis's third personal foul. Clearly there was a shove using his right hand there. Three-point lead being protected here for Guagua. Valiao, the crossover. Valiao drops it off. Besoro hangs in midair. Couldn't finish. Great defense by Francis. 3 fouls in all. But the pass was too strong. And eto, Bugarin on the counter. Enrico drops it off again. Besoro, mixture of it this time. And another turnover for Santa Ana Unite. A lot of miscues on the inbound pass. Look at this beautiful drop pass by Bugarin to Besoro. And this time, Byron secures the layup. Pass for Bugarin was tapped.
7-second shot.
Seven seconds to shoot for the men in white. Ball was tapped. Ball stays dito sa panig ng Guagua. 5-point lead para dito sa kanila, 50-45. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in this fourth and final quarter. There's a whistle right here. Maniago will be whistled for the foul, trying to prevent Bugarin from getting the basketball. Tristan on the attack. Tristan, the layup. Oh! What a fast layup right there by Valiao using his speed and footwork. And eto, may agaw pa siya. Tristan tumingin pa sa rear view. And that time, there's a foul on Valiao. The referee going over to the table officials here. Seven minutes and 57 natitira. Alfaro nearly fumbled the basketball.
Balahaja. Francis makes his move. And he'll troop to the line. He was fouled, I believe, by Gopez.
Pushing foul on number 11, KC Gomez.
9-point lead para dito sa Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. But itong si Francis Balahaja, 3 fouls in all, continuing to attack, continuing to draw fouls. He's trying to wake his team up. Peña comes back in. Balahaja. First free throw. Knocks it down. Balahaja's second free throw. Back irons that time. Tristan dribbling through the traffic. And the drop off. Easy basket for Bugarin. Look at this pressure defense galing dito sa Guagua.
21 seconds shot clock.
21 seconds on the shot clock para dito. Another knee steal. Oh. Uh-oh.
Valiao. Is that Valiao? No. It's another player holding on to his ankle.
Foul on number 18.
Let's watch this again. Besoro again. Oh. Twisted his ankle that time. Clearly on the replay. He's still down on the floor, and the entire bench of Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo approaching their teammate on the other side as he's still down. Still down on the ground as our medical crew have already approached. Etong si Besoro, he's been playing so well in this ball game. Now he's being lifted up by his teammates. Some of the medical staff. Let's look at this right here. Oh! Again, incidental contact. He did not land on Malyari, nor did he land on Valiao. It was just his landing. It was awkward, and his kitang-kita, nag-tweak yung kanyang paa. That ankle joint. There's a good steal there by Valiao. There's a foul. I guess it's gonna be on Miranda.
Foul sa kanan number 11, Raquel Miranda.
Second personal foul on Raquel Miranda. 10-point lead para dito as Bugarin with the layup.
Two-point basket number 6, Jay Bugarin.
Peña on the run. Peña layup. And there's a foul on Apostol.
Pushing foul on number 7, Paolo Apostol Guagua.
Fourth personal foul on Paolo Apostol. Let's see once again right here. Peña got in front of everybody, and then there's the foul on Apostol. Some body contact right there. Corner three-pointer. It's good para dito kay Calma. Peña again. Tatry Rumaco. Play na naman. Peña on the offensive board and put back. Wala pa rin. Guagua seemingly running away in this ball game now with a 14-point lead. 60 to 46. Valiao to Bugarin. Three-pointer. Off the mark. Look at that. Steal again. Galing dito sa Guagua. This is the first double-digit spread of this ball game. And they're doing it. Talking about Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. They're doing it in the fourth and final quarter. The most crucial possession Valiao gets blocked by Villa. Miranda. Raquel puts it up and in against the taller Gopez. There's a timeout whistled here. Para dito kay Coach Guiao Cabrera. Still up by 12, but this beautiful layup again right here by Raquel Miranda against Casey Gopez. And it cuts the lead down to 12, 60 to 48. Tayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. So, nakikita natin ang ating mga fans here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center supporting each other's teams. Of course, happy watching din po sa mga nanonood sa FB Live, lalong-lalo na yung mga nanonood sa munisipyo ng Guagua. Dahil nga every game ng Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo, piniplay po nila sa tabi or sa gilid ng munisipyo nila sa Guagua. So happy watching po sa inyo dyan. As there's a stoppage play right there. Coach Guiao Cabrera over there at the scorers table. Our officials are discussing something with him. 5 minutes and 56 seconds natitira sa ating laro. As both teams are actually both being advised to come back to their benches right now as they're trying to sort something out dito. We have an official's timeout on the floor. 5 minutes and 56. 60 to 49 is the score. As both teams have now gone into their huddles. 11-point lead para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. 60 to 49.
Santa Ana United.
That is where the correction lies. The official score kanina, the score kanina was 60 to 48. Now, our officials table have corrected the score. It's now just a 9-point lead para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. 58 to 49. As coaching staff of Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo still discussing something. As they're going over to the other side. One of the assistant coaches of Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo has approached already the scores table again to discuss something. Again, this is about the official score that we have right now. As it currently stands, it's 58 to 49 after the initial correction. But I believe itong Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo, they're trying to, make their case. Right here, of course, this is a competitive ball game. Both these teams are hungry for a win. They're still discussing something right now. It's an official table. Five minutes and 56 pa rin natitira dito. Both these teams are eager to win this ball game. As one of the coaches is livid there. Kitang-kita natin dito on your screens. Discussing something. Right here, Coach Guiao Cabrera really livid. the sidelines, but he goes back to his bench. We're trying to talk to our officials table dito. There you go.
60 to 49. Issue is clear.
So there's another correction to the score. 60 to 49. Nagkaroon lang ng konting confusion, ladies and gentlemen, with the score. But ito, back to the ball game na tayo. So ito, as the official score now stands, 60 to 49. An 11-point lead para dito sa panig ng Guagua Tulong tayo. But hold on. Now this time, the coaches of Santa Ana Unite are going over to the scores table. What is happening here? Well, this time it's Coach Chuck Gomez ang nag-a-approach. And now the two coaches are having a shouting match right now. Both teams are having a confusion. Both coaches are actually in the middle right now. And both camps, there's both not happy right here. It's Chuck Gomez right there, as we can see on the scorer's table, trying to discuss something. One of our table officials, Dennis Iscaros, is going to approach here, and also our tournament commissioner, Coach Leo Isaac, going over to the other side to discuss something. Again, both teams don't want to lose this game. This is a very competitive ball game. As we saw kanina sa team standings, they're in the upper echelon of the standings of bracket B. So one win or one loss can change the complexion of the entire bracket. May pwedeng umangat, may pwedeng bumaba dito sa kanilang dalawa. So let's see right here. As Coach Leo is now in the middle. And both coaches are now discussing in the middle together with our tournament commissioner, Coach Leo Isaac, and some of the referees doon. Again, it's about the scoreboard right now. As it stands right now at the 5-minute and 56-second mark, 60 to 49 ang score. As our referee whistles right now. Okay, let's just wait for the official announcement. Okay, so it goes back now to 58 to 49. A 9-point lead for Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. Valiao attacks. Kicks it over to Apostol. Apostol, the left block right
By Villa.
and underneath.
Another denial. This time by Balahaja.
Oh, but a good steal right there by Bugarin. It's the turnovers para dito sa Santa Ana. That's why they're looking at a 9-point deficit. Enrico. Looking to dance with Peña. Enrico goes behind the back. Dishes it off. Calma, 3-pointer.
Calma knocks it down.
61 to 49. Balik sa 12. Look at that, another steal this time. Calma doing it on the defensive end. Valiao gives it to Bugarin. Back to Tristan. Tristan will attack downhill. Tristan gets blocked by Musngi. Calma from the other side.
Knocks it down. Neil Calma is a man possessed in the fourth period.
And another steal by Valiao. That time, that's a backcourt violation. Clearly, Bugarin wasn't established pa. Enrico tried to hop before he received the pass, but dahil hindi pa siya established on the front court, that's a clear backcourt violation right there. Lopez comes back in. Balahaja kicks it. Peña, the layup. Peña left it short. Villa up fake. Villa puts it up and in. Ison Villa with the 2 points. That's the lead down to 13, 64 to 51. Bugarin goes to Valiao. Tristan, the layup is good for Tristan Valiao. What an explosion in this fourth period para dito sa Guagua. Peña. They are protecting 15-point lead, and eto, Guagua again, that full court defense. Preventing etong Santa Ana to score one more time. This time they force an 8-second backcourt violation. As Santa Ana calls for time, they are down by 15 points, 66 to 51, 3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in this fourth and final period. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup Intermunicipality and Cities Basketball Tournament. As of course, you can follow us and like ang aming Facebook page at Pampanga PIO dahil live po kami dyan. Kada game day, makakapanood po kayo ng 4 games dyan every time. Kaya like nyo na po ang aming Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. Kasi itong Santa Ana Unite, the game has gotten away from them in this fourth quarter. Now they're looking at a 15-point spread. This is actually the biggest of the ball game, as there's a whistle away from the basketball right here. It's going to be on Medrano. Lawrence Medrano with his first personal foul. Tristan attacks, double crossover. Tristan, no go, and Medrano with the rebound. Maniago being pressured here. A steal by Calma. 3-on-1. Calma puts it up and in. Calma now exploding talaga in this fourth quarter. Another near steal as Balahaja draws a foul. Will troop to the line for 2. 17-point lead for Guagua, the biggest in this ball game. Let's look at this again. Calma, this beautiful finger roll layup off of his own steal. And Balahaja knocked down the first free throw. 14 foul on Guagua ang pinito doon. 2 for 2 para dito kay Francis Balahaja. Bugarin. Taking a 15-point lead, 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining on the game clock. Maniago taps it out, bola pa rin ang Guagua. Sideline inbound for the men in white. Oh, good steal right here by Villa. Villa up fake, drops it off. Oh, was that blocked by Olivares? There's another whistle right here. So the free throw ulit dito. Etong Santa Ana. And JP Malyari comes back in. Papalitan muna si Casey Gopez. Maniago. First free throw, back irons that time. Oh for 2 si Maniago. The ball, Maniago gets it back for Santa Ana. There's another foul. Is it gonna be on Steven Olivares? Yes, it is. So that's Olivares' fourth personal foul, and that puts Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo over the limit. So every foul that they commit is gonna be free throws. Pero dito sa panig naman ng Guagua, they have now, or Santa Ana, they have now missed 5 consecutive free throws, but Balahadja gets the basket there. Balahadja gets the basket there. Eto, Valiao on the attack. Valiao tried to drop it off, and there's a foul on the pass. Ay, syempre po, this Cup, meron pa pong 4 games na mapapanood kayo bukas. But let's not forget na sa mga nanonood po dito ng mga kasinag natin, please watch ang aming 2 games on Sunday. It will be the game number 2 of Taytay J Project and Tito Rex's Firewire and Santa Rosa Lion Saints versus etong Malolos Republic sa Malolos Sports and Convention Center po yan magaganap sa Sunday at 4 p.m. po ang simula. Last 2 minutes tayo dito. There's a wet spot on the floor, but syempre habang inattend lang yung wet spot dyan, let's not forget that this coming March, there will be a 19 and 23 under. Magaganap po dito sa Pampanga po ang 19 and 23 under. And syempre magbabalik ang Sinagliga Asia Born 2001 champions di Pampanga Delta, kung saan naglalaro po itong si JR Bugarin ng Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. He has the basketball. Kung fan po kayo ng Pampanga Delta or kung gusto nyo po makita ang ibang mga players na napapanood nyo po dito sa 2024 Delta Cup, malay nyo, mapanood nyo po sila sa 19 under and 23 under ng Sinagliga Asia sa Marso na po yan. Kaya kita-kits po mga kasinag, and we will be right back here home sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center as Bugarin fires. No-go yung tira niya, and Olivares keeps it alive. Malyari loses the basketball, and ball will go dito sa Santa Ana side. We're down by 13 with 1 minute and 31. Pressure defense galing dito sa Santa Ana United, sa Guagua. Oh, good behind the back dribble right there by Malyari. Weaving through the defense, and Naren scores right there. Down to 11. Guagua needs to... Talking about this Santa Ana team, they're not giving up even on the last minute. But para dito sa panig ng Guagua, they should get some more baskets. Hindi dapat sila magpakampante. They did the same thing in the last game against the United Tomasian Ballers. There's a foul underneath on Malyari's layup. Check this right here. Good drop-off pass by Bugarin, and Malyari in a mismatch right there had no choice but to foul. Si JP Malyari. The two Malyaris. Naren Malyari fouling JP Malyari. I apologize for the confusion, but there's your correction. 71 to 59, 1 minute and 5. No good yung second free throw ni Malyari, but he tries to tap his own rebound in. Maniago. Nearly stolen away by Bugarin. Balahadja. Oh, beautiful big man move right there by Balahadja. Gomez gives it to Bugarin. JR on the run. JR the floater. No good. There's a stop para dito sa Santa Ana. They have to score in this possession, but there's a foul. Dahil penalty na. Penalty na. This will mean 2 free throws para dito Santa Ana, and Steven Olivares fouls out of this ball game. Manyala comes back into the game. Medrano with 2 free throws that can cut this lead down further to single digits, but he misses the first one. 38.2 seconds remaining. Second free throw for Medrano is good enough. Timeout is called here for Coach Guiao Cabrera. They're up by 9 points with 38.2 seconds. Natitira dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. 71-72 is our score in favor of Guagua. .2 seconds natitira sa ating laro. A 9-point lead para dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. There's another timeout right here whistled para sa panig ng Guagua. 71-62, 38.2 seconds natitira dito. Naninigurado yung dalawang koponan. Santa Ana wants to come back into this ball game. Itong Guagua gusto nang i-seal the deal dito sa ating laro. Nine points. This is very manageable unless itong Santa Ana has a Tracy McGrady-like comeback dito. At itong Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo. For sure, magtutulong-tulong silang i-seal the deal dito sa ball game. Again, this game has implications with regards to the standings because of victory here. Isa aangat, isa bababa dahil nga they're both on the upper echelon of the team standings for bracket B. And with a win here, one will go further up, one will go down. Dahil dikit-dikit etong mga team standings natin on both brackets.
Timeout, Santa Ana. That's your last timeout.
As inubos na ng Santa Ana Unite ang kanilang timeout dito. 38.2 seconds natitira sa ating laro. Back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, it's just 38.2 seconds na lang natitira po sa ating laro dito. For back-to-back timeouts, 3 consecutive timeouts from both of these teams. 1 from Guagua, 2 from Santa Ana. At wala na pong timeouts dito ang Santa Ana Unite. As Coach Guiao Cabrera asked for time. What is happening here? Nag-ubusan na ng timeout ang parehong coaches. As the coaching staff of Santa Ana Unite is looking at the table officials or the bench nitong Guagua. Coach Guiao Cabrera and the two coaches, Coach Gab Cabrera and Coach Chuck Gomez, are exchanging words at the center court. And the players now coming in the middle of both of the head coaches. To those who are familiar, there is an unwritten rule within the coaches with regards to these kinds of situations for timeouts. But again,
I love to stress that word, unwritten rule siya. Until there's time, there's still a chance. Para dito sa Santa Ana. So kayo na po mag-interpret if the unwritten rule is justified or not. So inbound here, and that's a 5-second violation right here for Guagua. Time did not run. So full 38.2 seconds natitira dito. Medrano. He'll attack the basket. Medrano, sobra yung layup niya. Guagua on their way to victory right here. As Calma, the guy who exploded in this fourth period. 17 total points para sa kanya. Madadagdagan pa dito. Itong si Neil Calma. He can seal the deal dito with these two free throws. 25.6 seconds. Oh! Bank shot free throw right there for Calma. This is the second. 18 points now for Calma. Naren, fly-by three-pointer. Off the mark. Villa, his layup is no good. Malyari being tied up. And there's a steal. Maniago, short pa rin. Villa bumps. Villa short yung layup. Ayaw pa rin talaga para dito sa Santa Ana. At dyan magtatapos ang ating laro. Etong Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo. Keyed in defensively, especially in the fourth quarter. And now, they are victorious. A 10-point victory para sa kanila. As both of the teams will meet at center court to exchange pleasantries, to exchange handshakes. What a team effort galing dito sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Talagang tulong-tulong sila, especially in this fourth quarter, to make a big run. As daming pwedeng catalyst dito. Of course, ito, ang ating final score, 10-point victory para dito sa Municipality of Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo, 72-62 against Santa Ana Unite. They will go further up sa ating team standings dito. And again, ang daming pwede. Ang daming nagtulong-tulong para dito sa Guagua. Bugarin, Valyao, Malyari. But ngayon, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba, kundi si Neil Benedict Calma dito for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. What a victory para sa kanila. Neil, talagang tulong-tulong tayo. Yun yung pangalan ng team nyo, di ba?
Yes po.
Eh, nagtulong-tulong kayo. Pero nung fourth quarter, dun pumutok yung kamay mo. Kita natin yung emotions. Ano nangyari dun sa fourth quarter huddle nyo at bigla na lang umangat to 14 points yung kalamangan ninyo?
Nagtiwala po kami sa isa't isa. Tapos yung mga pasa po namin talagang wala po kaming binigay na kulang. Tiwala po kami sa isa't isa namin. Tsaka si Bugarin po, hindi po sila nagdadalawang isip na pumasa sa akin kahit na minsan dadalawang isip po akong tumira. Kaya po napasok ko po yan, tsaka si Balyao.
Yes, at kita-kita naman natin, nakashoot ka ng 3 diretsong tres, di ba, sa fourth quarter na yun. Meron ka bang parang nararamdamang pressure dahil nga pinasok ka ng fourth quarter? Alam natin, first 3 quarters, hindi ka masyadong maganda yung shooting mo. Pero no fourth quarter, biglang pumotok. Ano, parang sinuklian mo ba yung tiwala na binigay sa'yo ni Coach Gao?
Yes po. Tsaka malaki po yung tiwala niya sa akin dahil pinasok na po ako sa fourth quarter. Inisip ko lang po na bigay ko po lahat ng best ko. Kahit ay mapagod na po ako, kung mapagod, bibigay ko po lahat para lang manalo kami.
Well, ito, chance mo na ngayon, Neil, para bigyan ng shoutout or pasalamat ang mga sumusuporta para sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo.
Shoutout ko pala sa buong Guagua. Salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin. Sa mga Santa Ursula dyan, mga tropa ko, SNG, mga Daily Pop, lahat po kayo. Shoutout po sa pamilya ko. I love you, Mapa. Para sa inyo to. Tsaka shoutout po sa tita ko, sa girlfriend ko, yun po.
Nabully ka pa ng mga teammate mo. Pero Neil, congratulations. What a performance para sa'yo. Fourth quarter ka pumutok right in the death anniversary pa ni Kobe Bryant. Diba? What a game para dito kay Neil Calma. And nanalo nga dito ang Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. 72-62. And ito na ang ating updated team standings. Itong Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo have now gone up to the second seed. Tied na sila actually at the first seed with Macabebe Warriors sa bracket B. At kikita pa natin kung sino pa ba ang aangat, sino pa ba ang bababa dito sa ating liga sa Delta Cup 2024 games natin tomorrow. Another 4-game banger para dito sa Delta Cup. It will be San Simon versus Magalang, Minalin versus Florida Blanca, City of Mabalacan versus Ampalit, and for the main event, it's Villa de Bacolor kontra Bayong Porac. Bukas pa rin po yan dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, but dyan nagtatapos ang ating 4 games of Friday dito. Ako po si Enzo Galaroto on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Taran, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, Direk Carlo Olbos, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup, and we are saying goodbye and Mamba out.